p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 5